Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, finally, BoxyCharm has finally came to my house. Y'all, I have been seeing this all over Instagram. I have been like dying to try it out to see how it works, you know, like, cause I'll explain that in a little bit, but I was like, how does it work? Like $25, really? Anyway, so y'all know I couldn't afford $25 because I used to live in Hollywood. A girl was broke. Y'all already understand? Broke. Oh, by the way, y'all, I've been trying to do something different with my hair. Hope y'all like. Don't judge me. Actually, no, keep judging. But it's finally arrived. I finally have my BoxyCharm. So I was like, I need to get into this. I see Kylie Jenner, everybody like, you know, promoting it. And I just seen people talk about it. But I was like, what is it? Like, how does it work? So I finally went online. I was trying to look for different other websites, but BoxyCharm was the one that always stuck to me. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I'll just do it. So I finally decided to become a member and pay the $25 fee. So I paid the $25 fee. And it asks you so many questions. It literally asks me about, do I want more skincare? Do I want more makeup? You know, that kind of stuff. And then it asks me about skin types and just so many different questions. Like, I was doing page after page. It didn't take too long, but I got to finally go through all the questions, put in my information, and that was it. Said delivery will be on its way. So I put on mine, I want a mix of both. More, you know, between skincare and makeup equally. So we'll see if that's what comes on here. I'm still kind of confused, like how we're gonna add everything up. Of course, we're gonna add everything up because I'm curious of how much comes in here. And ooh, my ear's itching. Who's talking about me? I see you. Yeah, I see you. Anyways, still itching. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, okay, it's $25. Are y'all sending me $25 worth of stuff? But that's what I'm saying. I've seen on people's Instagrams and YouTube videos, and it kind of looks like, okay, I'm like, y'all sending way more than $25, y'all know. And I don't work at Sephora anymore, y'all, so I don't get free stuff anymore like I used to. For all those 8 years, 8 or 9, I don't know how long I was there. Lord Jesus, thank God I got out. For all those years that I was there, we used to get something called that was gratis. And let me tell y'all, we're spoiled. Thousands and thousands, more than $80,000, who knows, yearly. Okay, if I were to add up everything, I could have bought a house at this point with all the free stuff Sephora gave me all those years. That's a whole different video. Long story short, I don't have much of that money, so I was like, you know what, $25 would be perfect for me to become a member and feel like I'm getting all this free stuff again, even though I'm paying $25, but I guess I'm gonna get more for my money. Alright, y'all, so enough talk about that. It's arrived. I love that it's nice and sealed right underneath. I'm covering my address. It's very sealed. Came in. I'm so excited. Y'all understand, like, I've been dying. I literally got this today. It said it was gonna come on the 15th. Sunday, and it came in today, which is like Tuesday. Sorry, y'all, give me a second. By the way, I did my makeup just for y'all. So it finally arrived today, so like I have to make a video because I've been wanting to open this all day. I finally got it. So let's open it, y'all. Alright, so I got my little knife. Don't come for me. Okay, it's open. I cut it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I feel like I'm about to like lose my virginity. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, hi. Okay, so I opened it right away. Only this much. I just cut it. Y'all saw that. It says, hello, Charmer. And then it gives you their Instagram ad and then their hashtag. So far it's black and pink. Let's see it for the first time. Yay! Oh my god, yeah. I'm like, I still haven't seen inside. Like, I'm so excited. Oh my god, y'all. y'all gotta understand, like, this is a lot for me, okay? Like, I still haven't even looked down. I'm just like, I already saw something. Oh my god, $25. Let's see what we get. Stop. Stop. Just stop it. I've been meaning to get... Oh my god, right away. Oh, sorry. First of all, when I worked at Sephora, everybody got this. First, I didn't get to get it. I think because I was in skincare by then. But I've been dying to try this Milk mascara. And 2, I ran out of mascaras. Well, no, I have a lot of mascaras, but you don't want... Once you open it, you only have 3 months period to use it and throw it away, because then you'll probably get an infection. That's a different video. I got a mascara, y'all, from Milk. I'm so excited. And y'all, this is not cheap. This ain't cheap. I will talk about all the prices late at the end, because I just want to continue with this video, okay? I'm so excited. I don't even... See, there's still something blocking this, so I don't even know what else is in here. This is $25? Stop. Play with my emotions. I feel like I'm getting gratis for the first time. Y'all, and I'm not gonna edit this because I want y'all to see my reaction. This brand, Volition? Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I have used this brand before, again working at Sephora. The lady that used to come to my job and as a brand rep, oh my god, this is a full size. Oh my god. There's still more in there. This is way more than $25. Y'all joking with me, right? Okay, so, oh, it's well packaged, by the way, well protected. There's a palette. I see a palette. Oh my god. Who's it by? Breakfast in Bed. That is so cute. Is that the name of the brand? I'm so sorry if I don't. I'll check it out at the end. Oh my god. How cute. Look at this. $25, y'all. Again, $25. They need to send me a promotion code or something. I don't know. Wow. An eyeshadow palette. Even though I had like 500, but this is just so exciting. These are beautiful colors for a smoky eye, y'all. Like plum smoky eye. Bitch. This is bomb. This is so... It's just like... It's like a free gift that I bought. I don't know. Okay, I love surprises. Y'all can tell. I love being surprised. It's one of my things. I know a lot of people hate being surprised, but I love being surprised, y'all. Like, this is one of my things. This is so exciting. And there's still more in there. I already got 3 products. Lord, this is like $100. Let's see what else. I think there's one more product left. There's 2. Oh no, there's 3. Oh my god. I'm not gonna edit this part, y'all, of my reaction to seeing this stuff. The Queen. I've seen it all over social media. Elias? I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce this for my life. Y'all can read it. Y'all went to school. Oh my god, this is beautiful packaging. Should I do a video with this palette, y'all? This might be my next video, actually. I'm gonna see online, see, if people are talking about this, and I'll probably make a video. This is $25 that I paid for, and it comes every month. Girl, this is, oh my god. A queen lies in all of us. Hell yeah, it does, honey. Have we met me yet? Alexander Queen over here, girl. Hello. Oh my god. These are. I'm so curious about the pigments of this. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just doing like a reveal of this whole $25. Look at these colors, y'all. This is crazy. And it has a mirror. This is crazy. How much is this palette? Okay, I can't wait to the end. This is so crazy, y'all. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm so excited. Okay, next one. Bodyography. What is this? I don't know what this is. I'm so excited. I'm like, whatever it is, I'll take it. What is it? Eye pencil 2-pack. What's a 2-pack mean? What's the 2-pack mean? Oh, there's 2 in here. Bitch. Sorry. Girls, there's 2 eye pencils. Black. Perfect. And like a brown, like a dark brown. Let me just swap this real quick. Wow. This is a eye pencil. So for under, okay. Y'all, future video. Seriously. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put those down. And then there's still one more thing. Okay. That's all. There's still one last thing. There is cosmetic lip oil. It's kind of covered. What's the name of this company? INT Cosmetics. I'm putting this in my bag. Sorry, I thought my phone was ringing. I'm putting this in my bag. This is so cute. Okay, y'all. So let me get the prices, and I will be. I'm like curious to see what these prices are. I paid $25 for all of this, y'all. Like this, pencils. The only thing I will say that I'm glad about the makeup, and I have a lot of makeup, y'all, but again, as I said in the beginning, I put equal with makeup and skincare, so I was really hoping I got equal, so that's the only downside about this. I just wanted to put that right away, because I'm like so excited for what I got, but I really only got one skincare product, but which is fine. It's fine, because this brand, y'all, it's expensive. Let me get the prices for y'all. Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't even realize. Oh, thank God it's easy for me. Okay, because I don't have to like go and Google everything, because I have my iPad right here. Well packaged. The inside of the box. It's a small box. It's so cute. Everything fit. I have the prices. I'll tell you in a minute, but I didn't realize there was papers in there. And I also got a Natasha Denona is treating charmers to $25. I mean, sorry. Don't get too excited. 25% off, y'all. Perfect. I might have to get a palette. So the prices of everything that they sent me is already here. Okay, so let's see. And let me grab my little calculator. Let me grab a calculator. Okay, that took like 3 years to get a damn calculator. Like my iPad doesn't have a calculator. What the hell? Okay, so everything's here. So, the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette, which is this one, retails for, stop, $38. Oh my god. So $38. And the Volition, I could never, even when I saw this before, I couldn't say it right. Volition? Volition? We'll go with that, okay? The Snow Mushroom Water Serum. $62. $62. Oh my god. That's crazy. Alright, so after that, that's a serum. That's a serum, which is my like I don't know, my go-to like skincare thing is a serum. God, I got like, it keeps you looking young. In the future, I'll do a video about these products. You know, playing with them, but I'm not gonna do all that. The next thing is Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, which is $24. That's $24. That's $24. Which this one. The next thing here, it is the INT Cosmetic Lip Oil. That one goes for $11. And the last but not least, the Bodygraphy Eye Pencil Duo is $16. So I paid $25. $25. for $151 worth of product. Hey y'all, so I had to pause for a second. As I'm editing this video, I've realized that on the list, it doesn't come with the Queen palette. It doesn't come with this palette on the list. I'm not sure why, but so in total, it actually is $197, the $25 membership that I'm paying monthly. So they send me $197 worth of stuff. But yeah, it wasn't on the list. I just wanted to edit that and make it clear before y'all come for me. Stop. That's crazy. That is so mind-blowing. Let me show y'all. Let's play a little bit. I hope this video is not too long. The serum. Listen, serums are always going to help out with anti-aging. Remember that. Oh, hold on. Y'all see that? This is full-size product. That's crazy. So I'm definitely going to be using that. And definitely going to be using the mascara. And their mascara has a bit of weight in it. Oh, the box was a little bit, like, had a little bit of a weight. So I was like, what is in there? I cannot wait for next month, y'all. The Queen palette, I might do a separate video for this, so I'm not going to swatch this one. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a separate video with this one too. It looks beautiful. So everything here is amazing. I'm so excited because I need eye pencils. Sorry. I need eye pencil, which is brown and black, which is purple, which is perfect. I'm gonna go and play with all of these. I'm gonna try to make another video with really playing with the products. In the future, for another skincare video, I'm definitely gonna be using so look out for that. I'm gonna be doing this one, the serum. In the future skincare video, I'll be definitely doing that. In the future, eyeshadow palettes. Be on the lookout if I do a video for this. Not sure yet. But anyways, so that's what y'all get for $25, which is amazing, which is exciting. Like I'm shocked. Is there anything else? No. I'm shocked. Like literally they could have just sent me this damn serum and I'm like, y'all saved me so much money. I would have been happy. Maybe a pencil. You know. But damn, I did not expect them. It's worth $25, y'all. Cause my meal at Taco Bell, if y'all already know already, it's like $20. And add $5 more on top of that, like gold. So call y'all sugar daddies. Call them. Let him know you need $25 and $25 for Taco Bell because Alexander Queen said. So $50. Get your $50. So call your sugar daddy. I need to call him because my subscriptions will be going on for a while. So I need extra money for next month. Message not going through. Message not going through. Oh! Did my sugar daddy just block me? Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to be my own sugar mama. Anyways, call him. It's approved. It's sugar daddy approved, y'all. Cause we're all broke. Say it with me. We're broke. And we dream. And dreaming is free. That's fine. So that was amazing. So BoxyCharm, you are worth the $24 beyond. So I'm excited for next month video. I'll be doing this each month. Every time I get a BoxyCharm from each month. This is for November. I'm curious if everybody else got the same products as me. Cause then what's the point of the survey? Y'all get what I'm saying? Like what's the point of the survey if everybody got the same thing as me? Asking me 101 questions even though you're gonna send the same thing to everybody. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoy this. Let me know if y'all get a BoxyCharm and if y'all got the same thing as I did, because I'm curious. Till next time, y'all.